Hello students, welcome to class 10th Chem chapter number 2. We are going to discuss the questions what happens when. Here we are going to discuss the another activity from chapter number 1, that is what happens when we are adding dilute HCl. Okay, what we are doing, we are adding dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 to zinc granules. Okay, zinc granules are there. Sometimes zinc dust is available in the lab, and as you seen, okay, what happens? Suppose this is a test tube and we have taken zinc granules in or zinc dust in it, and we are adding slowly dilute H2SO4 or dilute HCl. What happens? Here the observation will be bubbles of hydrogen gas come. We will observe, what we will observe? Bubbles of hydrogen gas will come. And how can we say that these bubbles of hydrogen gas? Anybody is asking, कोई पूछे कि ना हाइड्रोजन गैस है, ठीक है, पर कैसे पता चला आपको? So we can say what is the test for hydrogen gas? H2 gas burns with pop-up sound. ठीक है, pop-up sound आएगी इसमें H2 gas में. And one more thing is there. The conical flask, or suppose if we are taking this in a test tube, or the conical flask, if we are taking this reaction, we will try to do in a conical flask. In this we will put this, you can do in this also and here also. In conical flask you will add dilute H2SO4 like this, and when you will see that bubbles of hydrogen gas are coming, that are burning with a pop-up sound. And second thing you will observe is conical flask becomes hot. ठीक है, अब ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लिखना है, बस bubbles of hydrogen gas come and conical flask becomes hot. Then what is, we will write down the chemical equation for this. This chemical equation will be written like this. If HCl is written, अगर dilute HCl लिखा है तो Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. And if we talk about this which type of reaction it is, exothermic reaction, क्योंकि यहाँ पर heat evolve होता है. Like this we can do another one can be Zn plus H2SO4. तो यहाँ पर ZnSO4 आएगा plus H2. Just remember. Okay, so both the reactions, अगर HCl पूछा है तो HCl वाला फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, ये केमिकल इक्वेशन लिखेंगे, नहीं तो H2SO4. And the type of reaction will be exothermic because heat is given out in this solution. Then another question is, what happens when water is added to calcium oxide? And sometimes they are asking quicklime. ठीक है, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड का दूसरा नाम है क्विकलाइम एंड फॉर्मूला है हमारा CaO. ठीक है, एनीथिंग कैन बी आस्क्ड. दे कैन आस्क what happens when water is added to calcium oxide, what happens when water is added to quicklime, or what happens when water is added to CaO. ठीक है, so observation हमारी क्या है, अगर हम जैसे ये और ये जो चूना यूज़ होता है, सफ़ेद वाला चूना जो पुताई में भी यूज़ होता है, उसी को हम कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड कहते हैं. एंड you will remember and everybody is saying don't put your hands inside this water if you are adding water to it. So reaction is, it reacts vigorously with water to produce slakelime. Vigorous reaction होता है एकदम से, इसमें heat energy इवॉल्व होती है and beaker turns hot. इसमें थोड़ा सा पाउडर लेंगे, we will take only small amount of powder for it. Why? Because the reaction is vigorous. कोई पूछे कि क्यों है ना थोड़ा सा पाउडर लेना चाहिए, ये नहीं कि आपने बहुत सारा पाउडर डाल दिया एक बीकर में. So you will say because it reacts vigorously and this beaker turns hot. The chemical equation will be CaO ब्रैकेट में सॉलिड लिखा है कि सॉलिड फॉर्म में हम ले रहे हैं, प्लस H2O. लीटर L मतलब लिक्विड के लिए, लीटर नहीं है, लिक्विड है. CaOH whole twice CO. This is the formula for slaked lime. And this type of reaction, क्योंकि heat energy इवॉल्व हुई है, this type of reaction is called exothermic. अगर कभी पूछा जाए कि ये reaction किस तरह का है, exothermic और endothermic, then you can say exothermic. And if we see what है ना, यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है, A plus B is combining to form C. So ये है combination reaction का example भी. Okay, so this was the two activities from your chapter number 1. Thank you.